Welcome to Health Haven, where we transform not just bodies, but lives. Today, we're diving into the ultimate fitness journey, unveiling the 8 pivotal principles that could catapult you into the top 1% of the most fit individuals globally. Whether you're starting skinny and dreaming big or shedding weight to get ripped, this video is your blueprint for an inviolable physique. Discover the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Dive into health for you, where every video brings you closer to wellness. Whether you're looking to revamp your diet, master mental wellness, or just feel fantastic, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our life-changing tips and tricks. Subscribe now by clicking the link in the description and start your journey to a healthier life today. The secret sauce to achieving remarkable fitness results. Consistency. Successful gym goers live by this rule. Commit to hitting the gym several times a week, especially in the first 6 months. Yes, it's tough, especially when fatigue sets in, but that's your body adjusting to new, exciting changes. Overcome this initial hurdle, and soon, exercise will feel as natural as breathing. Here are a couple of strategies to solidify your gym habits. Set a workout schedule. Stick to specific gym times, ideally between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. Consistency breeds habit. Plan around busy days, anticipate busy periods, and adjust by intensifying workouts beforehand. Use the hectic days for recovery. The 5-minute rule: on days you're least motivated, commit to just 5 minutes of warm-up at the gym. Often, that's enough to switch up your mindset and gear you up for a full session. Understanding and managing your macronutrients, proteins, carbs, and fats is crucial. Aim for a balanced diet with 30 to 40% protein, 30 to 40% carbs, and 15 to 20% fats. More importantly, ensure you're in a caloric deficit. Don't fret over exact percentages. Focus more on these 3 rules. Maintain a caloric deficit. Prioritize protein intake to control hunger. Choose whole, minimally processed foods for your macros. Ever noticed how music can change your mood instantly? That's dopamine at work, enhancing your gym performance. To keep your workouts exhilarating, create a dynamic playlist. Mix motivational tunes that keep you pumped and push you past your limits. Lift weights 3 to 5 times a week to build muscle and strength. Prioritize basic, heavy exercises using barbells and dumbbells. Here, more than anywhere, your effort should be maximal. Give 100% or you're wasting precious gym time. Focus on compound exercises like deadlifts, squats, and bench presses. These exercises allow you to lift heavier, build strength quicker, and are more efficient than isolation exercises, which are better suited for advanced bodybuilders with time to spare. Increase your training volume by adjusting reps, sets, and weight. Remember, more volume equals potential for more muscle growth. However, balance is key. Ensure your load is adequate, you're pushing near failure, and recovery is prioritized to truly benefit from your workouts. Mindset matters. When the urge to quit strikes, push for one more rep. Train with focus, feel every movement, and ignore distractions. This mental discipline will transform your workouts and results. Thou respect your body's need for recovery. Muscle growth occurs not in the gym, but during rest, particularly sleep. Allow yourself 1 to 2 days off per week to recover and prevent injuries. Remember, achieving the perfect physique is a blend of consistency, nutrition, motivation, and smart training. As you implement these principles, expect to see not only physical changes, but an overall enhancement in your well-being. Let's delve deeper into more nuanced strategies and insights that can further refine your approach to achieving a stellar physique. These additional insights complement our initial principles, ensuring you're equipped with comprehensive knowledge to meet your fitness goals. Often overlooked, proper hydration is vital for optimal fitness performance and recovery. Water regulates body temperature, cushions joints, and helps transport nutrients to fuel your workouts. Aim for at least 3 liters of water daily, more if you're engaging in intense workouts or are in hotter climates. Dehydration can lead to decreased performance, fatigue, and other health issues that can derail your progress. While we touched on the importance of rest, the quality of that rest, specifically sleep, is just as crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow your body to repair muscle and consolidate the day's training. Poor sleep can increase stress hormones like cortisol, which not only promotes fat storage but also hampers muscle recovery. Consider developing a pre-sleep routine that includes winding down activities and avoiding screens to improve your sleep quality. Physical training is only one part of the wellness equation. Mental health, particularly stress management, plays a critical role in your physical fitness. High stress levels can inhibit recovery and alter hormone balances, affecting your gains. Incorporate stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. These practices not only improve your overall well-being but also enhance your focus and dedication during workouts. To continuously improve your physique, you must embrace the principle of progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or number of repetitions in your workouts to challenge your body and encourage muscle growth. Always aim to push your limits in a safe and structured manner to avoid plateaus and ensure continuous improvement. While we've discussed macronutrients, individual nutritional needs can vary based on body type, metabolic rate, and fitness goals. Consider consulting with a nutritionist to tailor a diet plan that complements your training regimen. Personalized meal plans can optimize your energy levels and recovery times, making your workouts more effective. What gets measured gets managed. Regularly track your progress by logging workouts, nutrition, and body measurements. This not only helps in maintaining motivation but also in adjusting your training and diet plans based on real data. Utilize apps or a simple journal to keep this information organized and accessible. Recognize that genetics play a significant role in how our bodies respond to exercise. Understanding whether you are an ectomorph, mesomorph, or endomorph can help tailor your exercise and diet regimen to suit your natural predisposition, leading to more effective and faster results. While a well-rounded diet is paramount, supplements can aid in reaching your fitness goals. Common supplements include protein powders, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids. These can enhance performance, recovery, and muscle growth. However, it's important to use supplements wisely and as a complement to a healthy diet, not as replacements for real food. A supportive community can significantly impact your motivation and commitment. Whether it's a workout buddy, a fitness class, or an online community, being part of a group provides encouragement and accountability, which can be crucial on days when motivation wanes. The fitness industry is always evolving, with new studies, techniques, and technologies that can enhance your training. Stay informed by reading, attending workshops, or following reputable fitness experts online. Continuous learning will not only keep you engaged, but also ensure you're using the most effective and safe techniques. Continuing our deep dive into the transformative journey to achieve your best physique, let's explore additional principles that will help you refine your fitness regimen, ensuring you have every tool necessary to reach and maintain peak physical form. Incorporating flexibility and mobility exercises into your routine is crucial for a well-rounded fitness program. Stretching improves muscle elasticity and joint mobility, which can enhance your performance in strength training and reduce the risk of injuries. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes to dynamic stretching before workouts and static stretching after workouts to maintain optimal muscle and joint health. For those looking to maximize fat loss while preserving muscle, HIIT is a powerful addition to your workout regimen. This training method alternates between high-intensity bursts of activity and fixed periods of less intense activity or complete rest. HIIT not only burns a high number of calories in a short period, but also keeps your metabolic rate higher for hours after exercise. Building physical strength is as much about mental fortitude as it is about physical endurance. Cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges and views setbacks as opportunities for growth. Psychological resilience can help you push through tough workouts and recover from disappointments more quickly, keeping you on track towards your goals. While overall nutrient intake is important, the timing of when you consume certain nutrients can enhance your workout performance and recovery. For instance, eating carbs and protein post-workout can help replenish energy stores and repair muscle tissues more effectively. Consider integrating a nutritional strategy that aligns with your training schedule for optimal results. While dedication is key, too much exercise can lead to overtraining, which occurs when there's an imbalance between training and recovery. Signs of overtraining include prolonged fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Listen to your body and ensure you're allowing adequate recovery time to prevent burnout and health issues. Leverage technology to enhance your fitness journey. Fitness apps can track your workouts, calorie intake, and progress, providing insights and motivation along the way. Additionally, wearable devices can monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels, helping you understand your body's needs and adjust your regimen accordingly. Periodization involves structuring different phases of training to optimize specific aspects of fitness, such as strength, endurance, or power. This approach prevents plateaus by continuously challenging the body in new ways. Consider implementing a periodized training plan that evolves with your fitness level and goals. Eating a variety of foods not only prevents dietary boredom but also ensures you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients necessary for health and performance. Include a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, diverse protein sources, and various whole grains to support your body's needs. Active recovery techniques such as yoga, foam rolling, and massage therapy can significantly enhance your recovery process. These practices help reduce muscle soreness, improve circulation, and facilitate quicker recovery between workouts. While basic supplements like protein powders and multivitamins can be beneficial, it's important to educate yourself on the efficacy and necessity of other supplements. Always opt for evidence-based products and consult with a health professional before starting new supplements, especially if they promise quick fixes. Your environment plays a significant role in your fitness success. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether they are friends who support your goals or a gym environment that inspires you. A supportive community can provide the encouragement and accountability needed to persist through challenges. Fitness journeys are marathons, not sprints. Set smaller, achievable milestones and celebrate when you reach them. These victories, whether it's lifting heavier weights, running a faster mile, or simply sticking to your workout schedule for a week, are crucial for maintaining motivation and perspective. Stay informed about the latest health and fitness trends by following credible sources and experts. This can provide new insights and techniques to enhance your regimen or debunk myths that might be hindering your progress. Remember, the most effective fitness plan is the one tailored specifically for you. What works for others might not work for you. Be willing to adapt and customize your approach based on your body's responses, preferences, and lifestyle. Achieving your dream physique requires a blend of persistence, knowledge, and adaptability. By applying these advanced principles, you'll not only enhance your physical capabilities but also ensure a sustainable and enjoyable fitness journey. Remember, every step forward is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content here at Health Haven. Share your fitness journey in the comments below or ask any questions you have. Our community is here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next video, where we'll explore new strategies to keep your fitness journey exciting and effective.